come on, even in the shelter there is no signal. Wait, something is happening.
This is an important release issued by the Thornwood survivors community in collaboration with the SCP Foundation Emergency Center. A representative of the SCP Foundation will talk soon. Please stand by.
Hi, I am the representative of the SCP Foundation. We report you that the happy bear has mutated and became almost a humanoid, growing 1 meter. The happy bear has now turned into Class Archon. We recommend you to lock all doors, cover all windows, and make a basement a shelter of 6 meters deep. Also, we recommend you have a TV or radio to receive new releases by the Thornwood survivors community. Thank you for hearing this release.
It's already night. I followed the instructions as told. I feel that something is out of my cabin. Oh God! What was that? A glass just broken?